Okay, guys. Today's notes are over angle relationship in circles. Again, I went ahead and pre-drawn the pictures. So you can pause, draw the pictures, and then you can start watching the video again. So number 1 says intersecting chords angle measure theorem. So that would be like to find the measure of angle 1. And again, don't get caught up on the letters because they can change. It's just the process. So I will take AB and plus it was CD. Oh, that's supposed to be CD. Okay, and those are arcs, and then let's just box it. Okay, so if I'm looking for the measure of angle 1, I will do 1/2, and then I'll go to AB, which is 80, where's AB, which is 84, plus CD, which is 112, and so that's 1/2 equals 196, and then that equals 98. And that's all you do. Okay? So again, it's usually going to be these ones on the outside, depending on where the angle is. It could be the reverse way too. All right, number 2. Tangent secant interior angle measure theorem says the measure of angle APB is 1/2 the arc of AP. Okay? So here's AP. All right, and it's 1/2 of it. So to find the measure, let me box that because that's the rule. And again, don't get caught up on the letters. It's just the same process because the letters could be different. So if I'm looking for the measure of angle APB, which is angle AP. Oh, I forgot my B, guys. Everyone draw in a little B right here. Okay. I will do 1/2. Okay. The arc AP is actually 100. Okay. And so if I do 1/2, that is 50. I already had drawn it in there, but it turns out to be 50. So that's how I got that 50 degrees. So any problems that kind of look like this format, this is how you will always solve it. These ones are kind of similar. So I'm doing 2, and the other one I just wrote the rule because the rules are kind of pretty much the same. So when you have a tangent secant exterior angle, the rule is, and again, don't get caught up on the letters, just look at the picture and kind of follow the same format. For the measure of angle ACD, which is 1/2, and this time you're just subtracting. You take the arc minus BD, okay? All right, so if I'm looking for the measure of angle ACD, okay, so I know I'm going to do 1/2. Then I'm going to find this arc right here. It's always going to be like this arc, the bigger one. So this arc turned out to be 120 minus, because you can't do the smaller one, so always the biggest ones for it, minus the smaller one, which is this one here, which is BD. In this case, is 80. Okay, so we get 1/2. Subtract that, which is actually 40. And then to put that in the calculator, it turns out to be 20 degrees. Again, so it's going to be bigger minus smaller. Okay? This one's called tangent. Tangent's pretty much the same thing, except you have a major arc minusing a minor arc. So to find the angle, let's say I wanted to find the angle of measure of E. Oh, I wrote E twice. I'm sorry about that. This should be F. Okay, so if I want to find the measure of angle EFG, it's 1/2, just like you did before, except you're going to have a major arc minus a minor arc. Oh, we're in a room too close to the edge. Okay, so let's do it. So the measure of EFG. So I know it's 1/2. So my major arc right here, EHG, is 240. And you're always going to have 3 letters when you do the major arc. You guys learned that when you did the vocab. Minus the minor one here, which is EG, which is 120. So it'll be 1/2 times 120, because 240 minus, and then 1/2 60. Okay? And then pretty much it's the same thing on this one. Again, this is one you have 2 secants, and you're just going to be subtracting the arcs. So you'll take this arc minus that arc, and don't forget the 1/2. All right, I'm going to do some practice problem with you guys to make sure you got it after everyone's done with the notes, and then you guys will do your classwork.